Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are here want to make something special. It's about Indonesian spaghetti. But let me introduce ourselves. I am Marvel and I am Rahman. Want to make Indonesian spaghetti by handmade. First, prepare all of things. We have tools: one spoon, a plate, a strainer, and a Captain cooker.
And the last is the
Pan, of course. Now you can see the ingredient. First is 3 packs of Indomie, 2 box of Levante macaroni cheese flavor, 1 can of cornets, and 1 egg. First, let's cook the noodle like common ways. First, prepare the pan, so you must to be very patient for the water until boiling. Mati nih. Iya langsung. Iya betul tak? Isi suara dari mata. Turn on the and then wait until the water boiling. While we are waiting the water boiling, let's prepare the seasoning. First, open the packs of Indomie. We have 3 packs here. One. Two, and then the last, three. So we save the fried onion for the last. So many noodles. Oh guys, it's already boiling. Let's put the noodle into the boiling water. One by one, guys. We have 3 packs here. I think it's very hot. You must be careful, guys. Absolutely, we must be careful. Oh guys, it's already cooked.
Yes, I think so.
Now let's put the cooked noodle into the seasoned plate.
Of course. Let me help.
Yes, of course. Wait, bro.
Patah ini masih. Very carefully, guys. Very carefully.
Let it dry first, guys.
Yeah, of course.
It's enough.
Enough here.
After
And
the
then-
cooked noodle, let's remix the seasoned and the cooked noodle.
Mix it. Guys, mix it until already mixed. Look, it's so yummy.
Smells good, buddy.
Of course, yes. No doubt about it. I think
Okay, it's already mixed it. And open the box of
it's La Fonte cheese flavor.
first our cook.
And then now boiling the water until already boil it.
Be close. By the way, guys, the bar is already boiled. Let's we put the macaroni into the boiling water. Where is the scissors? Wait until cook it, guys.
Guys, I think the macaroni is already cooked. Look at this. It's very boiling here. Need some help, bro?
Yes.
Use this.
Yes.
You can help me? This
Careful, guys.
very hot here. Then yes, it's already. And then now put the flavor. You can use scissor or your teeth. And then mix it until already mix it. And then you can use spoon or this. Mix it.
Okay.
I think it's enough. You can mix
Not yet, bro. Not yet.
the cornet after this. It's so yummy.
Smells
can
good.
smell it.
Think it's enough? Let's reopen the can. Well,
Yeah. Let it.
next, add the beef cornets. Open the can first. Into the mac and cheese mixture.
Oh, it's hard. Voila.
Use spoon right now.
I think use the spoon.
Kesini, kesini, kesini.
Add to the macaroni.
Yeah.
This. Ah.
And then mix again. Now the mac and cheese plus beef cornet is all ready. Now let's put into the cooked noodle.
Need some help, bro?
Yes. Just a little bit, bro.
Like this.
It's enough, bro.
And finally, the Indonesian spaghetti is all ready.
This is Indonesian spaghetti by Marvel and Rahman. Thank you.
Bon appetit. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.